Hi, my beautiful loves, and happy Valentine's Day. Here are 4 romantic hairstyles with items that were all purchased at the dollar store. So sit back and enjoy. Starting off with a bouquet of bright pink roses and freshly styled hair. And I'm doing a braid on the left side to delicately frame my face. Now with the braid, we want to make sure that we just grab a little small piece and that it's more loose rather than tightly put down. And then we're going to take the braid and we're just going to pull it all the way down, and we're just going to leave a little bit at the ends to add that fluff and beauty. Now I'm grabbing my roses and plucking them off. Remember, you can use any color as long as it beautifully suits you. I'm going to be using some bobby pins to keep them in place. But a trick that I've learned is you're going to take the flower stem all the way off and make sure that you put it all the way through the pin, just like that. And then what I'll do is I'll put one right in my hair, and then I'll just repeat the process all over again. Now you could even do it with just one, but we're gonna add a couple more to really give that delicacy to our face. Now I'm adding a second one, and then I'm adding a third. And then this bouquet of flowers that I grabbed had a couple of really beautiful stems, so I'm going to use those as well. And then I'm putting that right into my hair, right there in the middle. And I just love this look. It's easy to do, but yet it's so beautiful. This next hairstyle is super fun and cute. Using this DIY craft set that has stems and pom-poms, I'm grabbing my pick and again going down on the left side rather than the middle side because we like to do things different here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a twist, but grabbing a little piece of my hair and twisting it around all the way down and pulling that hair just like a knot. And then I'm going to take that knot right in. Then we're going to repeat the process on the other side. Now we just end up pulling it just like we want to our liking. Same thing. I'm going to twist my hair all the way around, just like that. And then I'm going to take it all the way out and then bring the hair all the way in. And then I'm just going to adjust just as I want to my liking. So cute. Now I'm going to grab the stem and we're going to take it and put it right into our hair. And we're going to make a little heart just like that. And then I'm going to grab another stem and I'm going to put it right around my hair. And I'm going to make it into a heart. Put it right down into the bun. And I didn't really like the way the other one came out, so I'm going to redo that. Do the heart first, and then I'll put it right back in. And then I'm going to grab some of my pom-poms. And just like we did with the flower, we're also going to grab our bobby pins. And we're going to put the bobby pin to go all the way through with a little pom-pom, just like that. And then I'm just going to stick it throughout my bun. Now you could use a variety of colors or the same depending on the pack that you find. I chose this pack because it was just really fun and had multiple colors that I could play with. And just like that, we have a fresh but fun style for Valentine's Day. Now, I love this next hairstyle because all you need is a ribbon. I'm using 24 inches, but depending on your head circumference, you may need between 24 to 30 inches. Just be careful if you don't have a measuring tape and you are measuring around your head that you're not cutting into your hair. Now, a trick that I like to use when I'm using ribbon is I will flip all of my head forward And that way I make sure that all my hair is there and then I can tie the string. That way I don't get any hair stuck and I don't have to pull on it later. Now, if you're enjoying this, give me a thumbs up. And girl, subscribe if you haven't. Then I just adjust and we have a flowy, beautiful, yet easy look. I love this updo because it's glamorous, effortless, and out of our face. We're going to start off with all of our hair down and we're going to make sure we have that part. Then we're going to take it all the way back. We're going to twist and then we're going to bring the remaining up high. And then we're going to start pinning. Remember, this is a romantic style. Think Bridgerton vibes. So we want to make sure that the curls are very flowy and very natural. Once it's pinned up, we're going to grab our tinsel picks and we're going to cut them into several pieces and then we'll place them throughout our hair. This is a stunning look that will make you feel like the queen that you are. I hope that wherever you're spending your Valentines, you have a blessed and beautiful time. I love you guys all so much for watching. Mwah!